Hello, welcome. In this video, I will show loops in C++. So, in our day-to-day life, uh, we have sometimes repetitive work. So, we have just do some same thing, same task for achieving a goal. So, let's check how many loops available in C++. So, there are three kinds of loop in C++. That is while loop, while loop, and for loop. The syntax of while loop is that while, then the condition, after that the block of code which will be performed if the condition falls true. Syntax is do block of code, then check the condition, and I will show the syntax for loop in the next video. In this video, I will talk about for while loop and do while loop. So let's take an example. If I want to print 1 to 5 in CC uh, that we have learned so far, we have to just write it manually like that. Cin, cin not, this command output cout 1, then inline, and copy this 5 times. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Let's run this. So it will give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in separated lines. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in separated lines. But it is not convenient for using in programming. We have just, it is a repetitive work. We just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a sequence. So we take a number 1. We are just checking while the number is less than equal to 5. Just out the number, after that increase it by 1. Okay, it will work, it will do work for us. Let's check. It will show first it is 1, the initial value. So why it is 1? Because 1 is less than equal to 5. It is true, it falls true. The code of block of code is executed here, executed. Then it is 2, it is increased by 1, it becomes 2. Then it again checks the condition, number is less than equal to 5. Yes, less than equal to 5. 2 is less, obviously less than equal to 5. So it will increase, and it the block code of block will be executed again. So when it is 5, when it is 4, it increased by 5. Then it is checked that 5 is less than equal to 5. It is less than equal to 5. Then it again executes and print out this 5, and then it is 6, and 6 becomes not becomes 6 is not less than equal to 5. So 6 is less than equal to 5. It is becomes condition false, and it becomes it escapes this code and just come here to execute the next instruction sequence. So we can do a interesting thing with while loop. So let's we can give in the last example for if else condition, we are just checking the whether the number is positive or negative. So but if we want to check the number, check this for several numbers, several numbers. So then we have to restart the program again and again. So using while loop we can do this in another convenient manner. Let's check how we can do this. So let's give an option to the user. Then you are checking. Acha. Um, just remember that if it is true, it is 1. If it is false, there is interesting thing that it not equal to 1. True does not mean that if it is 1 then it is true. It is 1. So while here when there is a true, then it will be executed. It will be executed, right? But in reality, if there is 0, it will not execute. If there is a non-zero number, it will be executed. Okay. So let's take here option. So in the initial condition option is 1, so it becomes true. It is not a false condition. Okay. Becomes false. So if I while 1, so it will do a uh, it will do a infinite loop, so it will not stop. So let's check infinite loop, see out something. This is an infinite loop. Let's and it will infinite loop 32 32. Okay. So there is just option. It is a non-zero number initially, so it becomes true. Let's take the number from the user. See out. There is a int num. See out. Give me a number, and after that, see in the number num. After that, just check the number is greater than equal to 0. Let's do this a complement manner. If less than equal to 0, then just the number is negative. So there is also backslash character, escape character slash in. Slashes means it is a new line character. So uh, which was is equivalent to this. Okay. So for showing you, I just use new line. So new line. Okay. Number is negative. Given number is negative. Else just to show you the these things are same. I am using new line here. It is a new line. It gives a new line. It is a escape sequence. So each escape sequence always gives some special meaning. Okay, it is a inline. It is same, and there is the given number. Given number is. After that, we just ask the user, do you want to play another round? New line. Do, you another round, new line. So 1, yes, 1, new line, no, 0, and after that just option, just option, just in the line. Okay, so let's see what happens. Give me a number. 45. The given number is positive. So do you want to play another round? Yes, I want to play another round. Let it 1. Give me another number. 77. Given number is positive. Do you want to play another round? Yes, I want to play another round. So there is some this time negative number 445. The number is negative. Let's again it is 0. The number is positive. Now it is 0. This time we don't need this. 15, 12, positive. Okay. So now, this is so far. Now do while loop. In the while loop, the condition is checked first, but in do while loop, the condition, so the job is performed if there is a condition. If the condition is true, otherwise it will escape. In the do while loop, there is condition, and in that case we have to put a semicolon there after, otherwise it will be an error. So do this task and check the condition. If the condition is true, then the condition is true, then do the task again and check again the condition, do the job until it becomes false. Okay, so let's just I'm giving there a demonstration. So there is a number is 0. Okay, there is number. Okay, I am number is 0. I am just if it is 0, then it will here it will be 0, and it compiler will see the will not execute this statement because there is 0. If there is non-zero, it will execute that statement. And both of them have the same task: see out the number, see out the number. So in that case, the number is 0, and while it just checks the condition first and then execute this code of block, and if it is true, then the code of block will be executed. So in the do while loop, the job is done first, performed first, then the condition is checked, and if it is false, then it just move to the next statement, and if it is true, then it will do the job again and again check the condition until it becomes false, so in that case it's 0, so it's false, becomes false initially, and it just do the job first and then checks the condition. So the block code of block is executed first, and after that the condition is checked. So let's see. So in that case we'll sorry, just the number in order to, it is 0. So from where the 0 is coming, this is not 0. Just for demonstration, from do while loop, and do the same thing from just while loop. Now it will declare that from where the 0 is coming. It is 0 from do while loop. Okay, thank you guys. That's it for this video. In the next video I will show the for loop in C++. Thank you, and until then have a nice day.